cry with 2K. Here you go where you terror. And I bet and I promise.
She said, what you know about love? I tell you everything. I got what you need. Woke up in the store and get what you want. Go ahead. You get what you please.
I know I told y'all I had some good news. What I still do, got some good news. But when you got people in your life telling you what you need to do, what you don't do, what you coulda, woulda, but you didn't do. It can go frustrating. Like, I got, look at all you people doing my life. Don't do that fast. Hey, everybody. Hey, we were told man with you. You did. You were going to take the good, but you did it. I know I did, but I'm just going to come up here right quick. And I wanted to tell the good news with everybody. First and foremost, I got my hair done. And they call butterfly lock. The 12 butterfly line, they real long. They go all the way down to my hind part. I got that word from my mama. But y'all, it told me in my energy on. It just like, I didn't let people throw my energy on. And that ain't cool. So that's why I tell I'm going to come back with your video and give you guys what you promised. And if I didn't tell you in the first part of the video, happy holiday to everybody. That's why I chose to wear my red dress because it's around Christmas time and it just told me going on with Bobby and that situation. And y'all already know my mama was too cold, all tried to dry than me. Blah, where you Connie got in a bucket and haul air, meaning vroom. He gone. He ain't in the tubby coat no more. Tubby coat counting no more. He gone. So it's looking like a beautiful Christmas. Okay. Hey girl, what up? I'm just gonna tell you at the end of the lobby, yo, because of anything people will write you and they want to know your good news. We love you too. Why you tell cause we know you love thank you for your coveting word. But on top of y'all, I did let people give me down my talker, but I gonna bounce back, but anyway. Hey girl, I miss you saying that. Okay, let me tell, let me talk over. Were you too cry? Were you too gay? And you call where you terror? And I'm back with another live video. Toby Kai, how I ended the last video. I would come reading the hate comment. That's why my mama and my boyfriend and my best friend always tell me stop reading the hate comment and read the positive comment. Cause the hate comment get you mad. Period. I didn't want to hear from nobody. I had 2 tears. Put my tail and I told it for my tail. So hey girl, welcome back. I love to see you today. Thank you everybody. Hey crew, hey my hey everybody. Hey everybody. Thank you for doing my live. That's what y'all want to hear me say. Anyway, I got some Italian news today. It did look so cute. This right here got 2 meaning behind it, y'all. So if y'all see me with a pink bunny rabbit on my head and a red thread, mind your business. Anyway. Hey everybody, thank you for doing my live. I'm waiting for a couple more people to do my live so I can play the good news. Some good news. Cut the camera. Alright. And I'm back. Hey girl. Hey twin. Hey. Mariah. You. Hey Mariah. Hey. Mariah, I don't know what that hey, but wrong line. You probably need to be on the ABT mouthful me lie or something. Cause I don't know what you talk about. But hey everybody, thank you for doing my live. Mariah, what you talking about? You might lie with that. Now I tell you trying you be funny. Anyway. Connie. Yeah. Thank you. Hey, Connie, react. I'm not gonna take too much because they take you to police. And we're gonna delete that there. Anyway, thank you for doing my live. Even though people here I want to hear. But thank you for doing my live, everybody. Thank you for doing my live. But you need to get to the news before all them haters come back. And you talk me them hate comment, you get tagged. And you don't tell your good news. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna tell you about good news. Okay. Hey, go, what happened with Tay? Tay, can y'all wait for the good news? Alright, guys, and the good news is that Tay is coming home on Christmas Day. I can't never have fun. Oh, I told you, hate that hat. Kayi. You heard it here first. You ain't here to no care app. You ain't here to no JPay. And you definitely ain't here to no letter. Cause Tay don't write letter. Tay can't write. Fun fact, you didn't know about Tay, right? That's my best friend. Period. I know. But anyway, Tay will be coming home to Simple to Full Toes. Be on the lookout for Tay. I don't know when Tay gonna drop her full video, but Tay will pop out. But on the bad news with Tay is that Tay gonna have that tan on her leg toe. Oh my God! But Tay is gonna do in my la, okay? Toe, Tay too for Tay. Girl, we hold Tay big at the house. Period, Tay big at your house, y'all. And y'all tell no, Tay big at your house. Y'all telling all that girl business. Girl, you did sit and told that girl business. You did tell that girl couldn't write. Okay, period, that's my best friend. Best friend I told play my business. If best friend told your business, you tell best friend, what kind of best friend shit is that? Don't worry about it. It's for us to know and you to find out. Anyway, guys, y'all ready for some more good news? Are you ready? Tell Father ado. Can you please give me a tiny ovation? Drop some you heart. No, you heart. Drop some light, some laughing emoji, and some heart if you ready. I want to tell. There they go. Okay, keep on. Ha, anyway. Yeah, go ahead. Okay. What little John say? Okay. And without further ado, can you please give the one welcome to your girl, Bobby? That right. Bobby is back like cook crap. Bobby is hot. Tell him, Bobby wanna dance. Bobby said he wanna dance. Get it, Bobby. Stand up. Get it. What? Stop, Bobby. Hey. Don't. Yeah, Bobby, that was dope. But anyway, Bobby back on the team, looking crispy queen. They take don't be rocking all white. If you're all white, looking dingy. If that ain't Bobby, they will not about that. Anyway, guys, that's right. Bobby is back with me. Hi, Bobby. He's selecting, rolling. No, Tavi. Anyway, guys, I'm too retired. I'm too lit. Bobby back on the team. So you know what that means. That right. Hey, go. Congratulations. Oh, Bobby, as I tell you, congratulations for coming back with me. Congratulations, Bobby. Congratulations, Bobby. Oh, they take it to you, Bobby. They hide. Oh, Bobby's hair. Thank you, everybody. Bobby hair. What you take? Oh, Bobby auto-tagged it. Bobby auto-tagged that she got a toy return coming to my channel. Bobby want to talk her own time. Cause Bobby don't want to talk her time, right? Right. So anyway, guys, you see, I got my Bobby back. I got my best friend, and then my other best friend coming home too. Hey boyfriend, hey Rob. Thank you. Rob, congratulations. What you cooking tonight, baby girl? We gonna go back chicken with some vegetable and some stuff. Baby girl, you know my situation. It's untied, you know, I get you painted. That doesn't mean we take you to court and you're litigation. You gotta respect my game, though. You gotta remember when I come through the fight, you ain't though. And I love you, and I do anything just to wanna fuck you. Hey, get a boyfriend. That's right. Y'all didn't know. My boyfriend, he a rapper, not a trapper. Baby, you holding him for back. Bobby said she ready to get lit. She ready to get wild. She ready to get the party going outside. You tell right, Bobby. Bobby came back a party girl, y'all, but I don't know. I might like the new Bobby because the other Bobby was like sassy, booty, rat. No, girl. You know what I mean like that. Don't come back with that. Yeah, to the well, Bobby. Bobby, okay. Thank you, girl. That right, yeah, that right. Bobby, I can't see the comment. Move, Bobby. I can't see the comment. Congratulations. That right. That Tubby Kobe is back. Y'all can come back. Y'all Tubby Kobe come back. My life back in order. My life is not in peace no more. So y'all come back. Give me some entertainment so I can entertain my people. So y'all come back and get off live for your Bobby. You know what I mean? Yeah, get up. I don't blame you, Bobby. I don't blame you. But anyway, y'all. Bobby said she want to get off the live because Bobby said she don't like the way people talking about her already. Bobby said she want to get in her space again. She want to get in her body. She want to get in her tone. She want to do what she do. So, like to quiet and don't forget, I go live every Wednesday. So, don't miss out on nothing. Alright, Bobby, thanks.